Good morning, children. In this video, we are going to be solve some problem based on the Bohr concept. The first question is 0.5 moles of N2 gas will consisting of how much mass? Coming to the second question, 0.5 moles of N gas will consisting of how much weight? So to calculate this, even you can use the formula method or direct method. So my suggestion is to calculate these kind of problems based on without formula. First I will explain by using formula, then after I will go further without formula method. So what is the first question? 0.5 moles of N2 gas. We know the basic formula, number of moles N is equal to weight of the substance divided by gram atomic mass or gram molecular mass. If it is atomic substance, you can go for the gram atomic mass. If it is a molecular substance, you should use gram molecular mass. So in the first question, nitrogen molecule he had given, so gram molecular mass you should consider. Coming to the second question, he had given atomic substance, so you should go for the gram atomic mass. First, from this formula, I am going to be write gram atomic mass or gram molecular mass can be written as weight. Weight can be written as N into gram atomic mass or gram molecular mass. The first question, weight is equal to N, number of moles is 0.5 into, so here N3 had given, it is a molecular substance, so you should take gram molecular mass. What is the gram molecular mass of nitrogen? 28 grams. So half into 28, nothing but 14 grams. Coming to the second question, weight is equal to half mole, 0.5 into, what is the gram atomic mass of nitrogen? 14 grams. So here you will get 7 grams. I think from this numerical, you might be understood the difference between gram atomic mass as well as gram molecular mass, and to explain without using formula method. So here he had in the question he had given 0.5 moles and asking the N2 in terms of mass. So our first step is to establish the relationship between mole and mass of the given substance. 1 mole of nitrogen gas will consisting of how many grams? So here nitrogen molecule he had given. So 1 mole of N2 consisting of how many grams? 28 grams. Next, in the question he had given 0.5 mole. 0.5 mole of N2 will consisting of how many grams? Let us consider 0.5 grams. 0.5 moles of N2 is equivalent to X grams. Now do cross multiplication, then you will get the answer. So X into 1 is equal to 28 into 0.5, nothing but 14 grams. This is the solution for first question. Coming to the second question, 0.5 mole of N gas. See here they are given atomic hydrogen. So 1 mole of atomic hydrogen is consisting of 14 grams. Next, in the question he is asking the weight of 0.5 mole of N gas will consisting of how many grams. Let us consider this is Y. Next step, you should do cross multiplication. Then after Y into 1 is equal to 0.5 into 14. Then what will you get? Y is equal to 7 grams. Now I am going to solve this problem without using formula. First question is 11.2 liters of N2 gas. So here he had given nitrogen gas in terms of liters, and he wants to express the nitrogen gas in terms of mass. So how many liters of nitrogen will consisting of 22.4 liters? If at all he had taken 28 grams of nitrogen, it will be consisting of 1 liter, nothing but 1 gram molecular mass. So 1 gram molecular mass will be consisting of how many grams? 28 grams. So 28 grams of nitrogen, which it will be consisting of 22.4 liters. But instead of taking 22.4 liters, here we have taken 11.2 liters. So this will consisting of how many grams? Let us consider the number of grams or X. Now do cross multiplication, then you will get the answer. X into 22.4 is equal to 28 into 11.2. Very simple. 11.2 ones are 11.2 are 2 ones are 2 14 are. Therefore, x is equal to 14 grams. Next, D. 44.8 liters of O3 gas will consisting of how much mass? So, if at all you had taken, what is the molecular mass of O3 gas? The molecular mass of O3 gas is 48 grams. So, if at all you had taken 44 grams of O3, it will consisting of 1 mole. 1 mole of any gas will occupy 22.4 liters. So, here how many liters we have taken? 44.8 liters. Will consisting of how many grams? Let us consider this is Y. Then do cross multiplication, then you will get the answer. Y into 22.4 is equal to 44 into 44.8. 22.1 are 22 are. So that implies Y is equal to 88 grams. So 88 grams of O3 is equivalent to 44.8 liters of volume. 6.022 into 10 to the power of 22 number of hydrogen units he had given. So he had given in terms of molecules and expressed the terms of molecule in mass. So 1 mole of any gas will consisting of Avogadro number of particles. That is the sum rule here. So 1 gram of oxygen, 1 gram of hydrogen molecule will consisting of 2 grams. So 2 grams of H2 will consisting of 1 mole. 1 mole of any substance consisting of Avogadro number of particles. That number is 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23. But here he has taken how much amount of hydrogen molecules? 6.022 into 10 to the power of 22. It will consisting of how many grams? Just do cross multiplication, then you will get the answer. Let us consider this is Z grams. Z into 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 is equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power of 22 into 2. See, 6.023 and 6.023 will get cancelled. Here you will get 1. Nothing but Z is equal to 2 divided by 10 to the power of 1. Nothing but 10, which will be equal to 0.2 grams. So 0.2 grams of hydrogen molecule will consisting of 0.22 into 10 to the power of 22 number of molecules. Thank you.